Are you ready to catapult yourself into the wild world of affiliate marketing and start raking in commissions in just an absolutely mind-boggling 7 days? Strap in, folks, because we're about to embark on an epic journey through Jason Oikel's legendary 7-day affiliate promo sprint. I'm about to unleash the secrets of this powerhouse program, how it works like a dream, and why it might just be the fastest ticket to stacking that sweet affiliate cash. Seriously, you won't want to miss the jaw-dropping bonus worth a whopping $747, waiting just for you at the end. Now, let me tell you, the 7-day affiliate promo sprint isn't your run-of-the-mill system. It's a complete game-changer designed to supercharge your affiliate promotions. Imagine this, a meticulously crafted 7-day action plan where each day is laser-focused on a specific task that builds up to a full-blown affiliate promotion machine. Follow these daily steps, implement the killer strategies, and by the end of the week, you'll have a fully functioning system ready to blast off. This program is as straightforward as it gets, simple, crystal clear, and built for immediate action. It covers everything from setting up your promotions to driving traffic and generating those glorious results, all laid out in a seamless day-by-day format. You'll never be left wondering what the hell to do next. Let's dive into some of the absolutely mind-blowing features. 7-day step-by-step plan. Each day comes packed with a clear, actionable task that builds on the previous one, totally eliminating guesswork like a boss. Templates and swipe files. You'll score pre-written email sequences, add copy, and promotional materials that'll save you a mountain of time and help you move at lightning speed. Beginner-friendly. This system is designed for everyone, even if you're a total newbie to the online money-making game. No experience? No damn problem. Fast results. The goal here is to start seeing those affiliate commissions roll in within just a week. How freaking awesome is that? Proven marketing methods. The strategies are straightforward, actionable, and crafted to work without all that unnecessary complexity that makes your head spin. With this rock-solid roadmap, you'll know exactly what to do each day, no overthinking, no wasting time on trial and error. By following the sprint, you can whip up a promotional system in no time flat. Forget about complex tools or massive email lists. This baby thrives on simple setups and free traffic methods. This sprint is absolutely perfect for anyone itching to make money online through affiliate marketing. Whether you're a greenhorn looking for a clear path or someone ready to supercharge an existing strategy, the 7-day affiliate promo sprint gives you a structured approach for lightning-fast results. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and get ready to watch your affiliate dreams take flight.